Hey everybody, Groggy D, how you doing? Today I've got Death Shell by Dynamite. It's a full 24 shell kit, 5-inch shells. I paid $130 wholesale, so they are pretty unique and hopefully well worth the price. Looking for big booms with these. I'm going to show you side here. Here is the back with all of the effects. It's a real mix of effects. There's willows, there's, the red lace winter sweet, there's all kinds of crackle and coconuts and crowns, and also cherry red comes up a lot as a color. So I'm looking forward to that. Maybe kind of a purplish fuchsia kind of red, but I'm not sure. We'll have to see about that. Well, let's take a look at the shells real quick and see what the tubes look like. It's got a good looking tube here. Should be a standard 12-inch. Could be even a little taller, but I'm not sure. Nice and thick with the foil design. I really like that. Pretty plain though. Skull on the tube, handprint on the shell itself, and absolutely no number, no effect listed, nothing on the bottom. I got a number on that bottom there. I think it says 21 upside down, but that means nothing to me because there's no other numbers. We have to be satisfied with considering my numbering system, whatever I get on my camera first, as to be the first shell, and we'll go through number 24, so you'll see those, but I will do my best to match it up if I can and at least shoot them in order. Alright, it's time to go light them off. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Peace out, Groggy D. Check you later. Little update, folks. One of the shells was a dud, so it didn't light. Left it in the tube.